This is Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So first step, you gotta make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Mine is, apparently. Then open the Google search bar, that's the search engine that I recommend using in this case. Then type in the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website. Here it is in my case. Wait until the web page gets loaded, then accept the file, or rather should I say confirm the file download by tapping the download anyway button. Then upon downloading the launcher or installation file, open it. In here, as you can see, in order for me to install the Epic Games launcher, it is required that I grant Chrome or any other browser that you will use in your particular case to install unknown apps, which I can do like that. Then confirm the installation, launch the Epic Games app, then in here tap at the black get button in front of a Fortnite, and then hit that install button over here as well. Now we will have to wait for a little bit until the Fortnite will download all the necessary files. As you can see, the Fortnite was successfully downloaded and installed. Now we can just go ahead and launch it. And in here, just wait for it to, for the game itself to download all the necessary resources and small updates. And then you'll be able to start playing the game. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.